How to get repost button on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a repost button on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up TikTok on your mobile phone and it will open up your For You page. And we know that we get a repost button on TikTok now. So if you're not getting it, then this tutorial is for you. First, let me actually show you that we have this share button and then we get the repost option. So you can see right here, the first one, the yellow one, I do have the repost button. But if you do not have it, then I would suggest going right now to your App Store, to your Google or Apple Store and updating your TikTok. Once you update your TikTok, then you will be able to get the repost button. But if you're not still getting it, then I would suggest going to your profile. Then you have to click on these three lines above, go to settings and privacy, go to report a problem, and then you have to select from topics, feed, search, and share. So right here we have all of these different options. We're gonna click on other and no, need more help, and type right here what our problem is. Type in your problem, enter a screenshot where you're not getting the repost button, and then enter your username, click on report, and this problem will be sent to TikTok. They will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.